This sculpture has three components, as you can see: the giraffe, the girl, and the ladder. And I just wanted to explain it to you how I assembled them together like this. It was quite challenging, to be honest, because how do you paint them nicely, one on top of the other? It could be quite challenging, right? How do you get around that ladder, behind that ladder, to paint the spots, for instance? So this is what I came up with. I made the giraffe, I painted it, then I made the ladder and painted it as well. Then it was time to put them together, which I did. There was no problem with that. But the girl, I had to face a challenge there again. So I put her on the ladder, but I painted her before as well, right? Suddenly, two issues popped up out of the blue. I still had a problem, the arms. How would I place them around the giraffe's neck? Because if I sculpted them and they were dry, they would not be flexible, right? So that was quite something. And the other issue had to do more with aesthetics and pose, and I'll explain it to you in the next video. Okay, so right now let's go back one step, and this is how I placed her on the second step of the ladder from the top. Her arms are not finished yet here. Once I was happy with the pose, I glued her on and checked her from different angles, but decided that I didn't like that pose and chose another one. I put her on the third step, and she looked more comfortable, more happy, more lovable, like this, closer to her friend. Adjusted the arms again, glued her on, and I finished the arms after. And those arms also made the bond stronger in addition to the glue. And this way I get a more durable piece that will last forever, hopefully.